What's up, guys? Raphael here. Today I have a surprise box. I don't know what's in here. Already opened, and I know there's a red bag in here. Okay, so let's check. There's a red bag in here. I mean, I've already opened it, but I took a little peek. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. I don't even know what's in here. Okay, let me just open this up. No, is it a jersey? No way. Oh man. So what I have here is a Stephen Curry jersey. Whoa. Oh man. Okay, so it says 30 and Curry. Back here it has the NBA logo right here. Has Adidas, the sponsor. You know, you have to plug. And it has Golden State and his number here. And okay. And this size, I got this size in extra large. But as you can see, it says extra large right there. And it says Adidas again, another plug, NBA. Yeah. And right here it says made in China and this and that. It says stuff like that. Made in China. XL, EG, TG. And they have the Adidas lines in here. So yeah. Oh man, this is so dope. So yeah, that's what I got. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.